What is up, everybody? I wanted to bring you guys a quick unboxing of the Oculus Go. Miles is right behind the camera using it right now. We're getting ready to film his video, so you can check that out of us using it down in the description below. So make sure you guys check that out.
Where am I?
And stay tuned for at the end of this video, I'm going to take you guys behind the scenes of the setup of how I did this, the gear that I used, and sort of my thought process behind doing a very quick guerrilla style unboxing with 2 cameras. Stay tuned for that at the end. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Let's get into it.
What's up, everybody? And today I am going to be unboxing a VR.
The Oculus Go.
So let's get into it. Hello, Jurassic World, Ultra Wings, Facebook. And if you buy this at Best Buy, it costs $200.
$250. This one was the 32 gig.
There was one that you had to use for a computer, and it was $400.
Yeah, the Oculus Rift. And this is like just an easier version of this. This is like a standalone mobile one that you don't need to use your phone inside of it.
Boxes.
I think you still need to use a phone to connect to it for the app. What's that say?
Oh, I never read nothing. Grab your phone to get started. Download the Oculus app on your mobile phone to set up your headset.
Okay.
We'll be doing that later. The remote.
Cool.
There's not that much in this box.
Miles and I were having a disagreement. He didn't think that the headset needed to be charged, and I tried explaining to him that it had to be because it's got screens in it. So you have a cable. This looks like another rubber piece.
How about we start charging it right now?
And you have a charger here. So a cleaning cloth, instructions we don't care about.
Yeah.
And I want to see.
Wait, it's one open.
Micro USB cable. Sort of weird. It's not
what?
USB Type C, but just throw it over there. We don't care about the paperwork.
A little. See what this is.
That?
Let's see what it is. What?
Like a little lanyard?
Is it supposed
to?
Oh,
for the controller. Put it around your wrist.
You can put it on your wrist just like the Nintendo Switch.
Yeah.
I just now learned how to snap. Ooh, battery.
Yeah, and one AA battery for the controller.
Ooh, we don't even have to buy one now. Okay. How about we do this in a couple minutes? Here's where it charges.
Headphone jack?
Yeah.
And then the top.
He wanted that.
Yeah, both buttons are on the top. Volume and power.
Ooh.
Is that it? It looks like that's it. It's got its own sound, so you don't need to use headphones, I guess.
I'm
What
excited.
does it sound like?
I'm excited to try this.
Yeah. Then looks like
an arrow, and that's how you start
back
it.
button
Definitely.
and menu probably, and then a trigger on the front.
That's probably how you that must be like shooting games.
So that's probably going to be about it. We're going to get it set up, and
since that has a charge, the next part we'll try this out on my channel.
we're going to try it on Miles' channel. So I'll leave a link to that video down below, as well as a link to his channel. But that's where we're going to be doing the trying everything out and trying some games and stuff like that. So tune into Miles' video, link down below, and in the card up at the top.
Always subscribe to his channel and my channel, please.
There you go.
I'm sorry about doing not that much videos on my channel. I'm very sorry.
We'll talk to you guys.
Bye.
We'll see you guys in Miles' video. So let's do a little behind the scenes of how I shot Miles doing that unboxing of the Oculus Go. So I'm on my iPhone right now because I wanted to show you guys the cameras, the microphone, everything that I did. Now this was really sort of a guerrilla style. We got home from the store, it was late. He wanted to get it unboxed because we wanted to get it charged last night so that he could do a setup video or a using video, first impressions this morning on his channel. So we did a very quick setup, and I'm gonna flip the camera around right now and show you guys how we did that. So first of all, I wanted to set up, this is where Miles was sitting. You know, obviously my area is not very clean, but with the direction of the camera. So this is my A camera. This is going to be my A roll. Miles on film, what he's going to be speaking to pretty much. This has got the microphone set up on it. Now this is not the microphone I would usually use for a setup like this, but like I said, we did it real quick. So here I have the Canon 60D Mark II, and I'm using the 24mm 1.4 lens with the Rode VideoMic Pro 2, whatever it is on top. Now you can see crazy depth of field on this lens, but Miles is going to be in this area here, so that would be our primary focus. But we still have the desk area here. That is where we would set up the product. I also, you can't really tell now because it's daytime, but I use these two desk lamps with some Philips Hue light bulbs in it, so that gave us a little bit of the mood lighting. Also had this overhead Philips Hue lights on, so that gave us a little bit of warmth. But as you can see, this one this is where we're getting our audio and our main. Now the other shot with the second camera is the 5D Mark IV with the 24-105 f4 lens on it, and this is what I used handheld. So the reason I've used the 105, the 24-105, is so I could zoom in on when he was doing, you know, some of the unboxings and what he's actually focusing on. And I was able to move around a little bit, get down at different angles, get his face, get the product, get just his hands while he's unboxing. So, and the way I edit that is in Final Cut Pro. I can put both of those into Final Cut Pro easily and do a multi-angle clip, and then just sort of really just hit a button to go to which camera I want to go to and sync it all up with the audio. So super simple setup. Like I said, this is sort of a guerrilla unboxing, but if you have the right gear, especially having two different cameras, you can make a very simple setup look very, very professional and very good. Now, if I had more time, I would have done a little bit more with our setup here. I probably would have moved the camera more over to this angle here because it was nighttime, so it didn't have that blowout from that window. Had the lights still the same and had him a little bit more turned this way and sort of probably had more of this angle, and then me with the other camera almost sort of overhead behind him, sort of moving around. But overall, I think it came out really well. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just wanted to show you guys the behind the scenes of this video. I'm gonna do a little bit more on the production of my videos, what I'm using, sort of the behind the scenes, taking you into what I do. Some professional shoots that I do, professional photo shoots, sponsored IG posts, a lot of things like that. So make sure you stay tuned for that.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.